Hi, Crystal here for Winnie and Walter. I have a graduation card. Graduation season is upon us, and I had to make this last minute. We have, in a word, congrats die. We are using the stars from the scenery, bigger bang confetti, and we are using the letters from Typecast Cary. We're going to begin by stamping grad using the Meant to Be from Catherine Puller Designs, and we're going to repeat the grad over and over and over down our card. And as I'm stamping, I'm alternating where I place the grad, so it says rad grad. Now for the stars, I'm using Aquatini, Bellini, and It's a Girl, and like I said, the stars are from the scenery Bigger Bang Confetti. I am stamping them on a piece of white cardstock, and then these will be cut individually and placed on our card. Now that my stars are cut, we are going to add some silver embroidery thread onto the actual mint card base. I'm going to secure that with tape. We're going to cut 3 of the congrats from brown cardstock as we're going to layer these on top of each other. Okay, now that my congrats are cut, I'm going to cut congrats out of foam. I like to use inexpensive foam that has adhesive on the back. I'm going to add the congrats on top of the thread. I'm going to fix that, try to straighten it out. I'm going to add the brown and then layer the 3 congrats on top of that. I really like the race look. Now we're going to add the stars using little dots of foam adhesive and then adding some flat ones onto the bottom of the ones that were raised. Okay, to finish out, we're adding pretty pink posh confetti sequins, and these are in silver, and I'm just going to add them around. And that's it. How fun is this card? It is such a happy, and I am going to send this over to a special someone. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please follow us on the Winnie and Walter YouTube channel. Give this a sweet comment and thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining us. Have an awesome day.